what is love, how do you know that the other person loves you and if the love is unconditional? There is so much talk on unconditional love on social media, on books. शायरों ने शायरियाँ लिखी हैं इसके ऊपर, गाने लिखे गए हैं, कहानियाँ बनी हैं, बट is there anything like unconditional? What is unconditional? To love someone you don't even need them, or you do not wish for them to love you back. You wish for their happiness and you just move on with your life, and that is unconditional love. But if you decide that not being with the person is going to make them happier, is a condition in itself. Wanting someone to be in love with you is a condition. Wanting someone to even not reciprocate your love, just loving someone for what? What is love? Why do you love someone? There is nothing like unconditional love exists. This is so 7th grade talk. The unconditional love exists. Okay, what is unconditional? Even if you want the person to be healthy and happy and safe, this is a condition. To want the person alive, to love, is a condition in itself. Where is the unconditional love you talk about? There is no such thing as unconditional. Everything is transactional. If you stop being useful to people, they are gonna stop loving you. Is that wrong? No. But it is also not unconditional. If you die today, right now, your parents are going to be sad. But if your parents find out that you got exchanged in the hospital, you're not their kid and their real child is alive somewhere, they are not going to be as sad as they would have been if you were their real child. So there is nothing like unconditional love. Your parents love you because you're their sperm or egg. If your parents can love you less, if you're not, then how and where this unconditional love exists? You love someone because they give you emotional support, physical support, mental support. They are useful to you in one way or another. They help you navigate through life better. If you're with them, you take better decisions. You're with them, you get comfort, and all these things are conditions. And it's not a bad thing to have conditions, have expectations. But why is unconditional even a talk in the town while it doesn't exist? It's in love songs, it's in love stories, it's in stories, it's everywhere. Something which does not exist exists everywhere. The idea of something, the idea appealed to people so much that they made it exist in a world where it doesn't really exist. Let's take a more up-to-date example of this unconditional love. You liked somebody. Now, how do you like people? You either like them by their looks or how they are. How they are, they must be kind to you when you met them. Now, isn't that something you like them for? If there exists something you like them for, then there exists a condition. And if a person becomes completely useless to you, if you start liking someone for the kindness they had, for the simplicity they had, for how easy they were to be with, the moment they become hard to be with, not emotionally present to you, not really comforting anymore, not the calm person that they were, are you going to stop loving them? Of course you're going to stop loving them. But the thing will become, if you got into a connection, somehow the relationship is going to become more of a familiarity, a sense of belonging to the person because you stayed with them long enough. But how is that unconditional love? There is not a single case which I have read till now where the unconditional love exists. It is just a beautiful idea and a myth existed in somebody's figment of imagination, and they liked it so much that they made it exist in the world that it doesn't really exist.